Welcome to SAR Technology's online Searchlight Trip Viewer software. This video will show you how to view your trip's image collection while simultaneously following each image's location on a linked moving map display. First, we upload our images into the Trip Viewer. By browsing to a folder and uploading the image folder into Trip Viewer. We can also paste the file path into Trip Viewer for future documentary reference. As the images are loaded, they create a slideshow which is automatically tracked image by image location on the linked map to the right. The GPS information within each image is automatically used to generate a KML track file on the linked image map display. The map background can be selected from 3 different types, from the satellite imagery, as shown here, or street view, as shown here, or including terrain information, as shown here. We'll choose the satellite view. You may zoom in or out, or drag the map to any position to show the GPS image track line. As each image is displayed, the image information is displayed directly below, including the file name, the camera device, the date taken, and the important latitude and longitude location information. As each image is displayed, the red marker on the map shows that location in real time as we scan through each image. The camera position is used to provide further information, which includes the speed at which the images were taken, the traveling speed, the altitude the pictures were taken from, and the camera pointing direction. This provides full information to determine where our images are on the map and in what direction the camera is pointing. You can also go to and seek a particular image just by entering the number in the Seek window here. So we want to look at image number 150. We enter Seek, and automatically we are taken to image number 150, which is over here. We can also skip forwards and backwards through the images using the VCR buttons. Here we are stepping one image at a time through the image collection. We can skip in larger increments, such as every 10th image in either direction. Now we're going back. And we can even skip 100 images or even 1,000 images at a time to quickly move through a very large image folder. Here we'll move into approximately the center of the map. We can also go to a particular image by using the mouse over. Here we'll take a look at image number 200 by clicking on 200, and the image appears on the map. We can move back and forth this way, as well as using the VCR buttons. This feature makes it very intuitive to find and locate key important areas of interest along the track line. The goal here is to be able to use Searchlight Trip Viewer to identify the important regions of interest that we can then scan using the companion program, Searchlight Image Locator. Searchlight Image Locator uses advanced image recognition to help detect missing people, vehicles, aircraft, vessels, even color or patterns within this previewed image collection. Now we'll play the remainder of images in this folder collection. This was taken on a real search and rescue mission to look for a missing person. As you can see, the gauges here give us the current speed, altitude, and camera heading direction. Let's change the altitude settings to, say, 1,000 feet above sea level. Or we can change this again by pausing and set a very low altitude and then replay to get a better full-scale range. We can do this for both the speed and altitude gauges. This is the true compass heading that the camera is pointing at during the travel of each image, typically by, say, a drone or cameras in an aircraft or a helicopter, for example. We also have the ability to export the KML. So this track line, by clicking Export to KML, will automatically generate a KML track line that can be loaded up into Internet Commander Pro, into Google Earth, or any other GIS application that can read the standard format KML files. Here we see we're reaching the end of the flight path and reviewing each of these images as we cross over the riverbank here. Thank you for watching SAR Technology's Searchlight Trip Viewer program, the premier online tool for high-speed, map-based image review.